Ooh, okay, so I'll go. I just lost this package. It was just near the stairs, so that was awkward. And anyway, I'm gonna continue spraying it, and the bottle is not close correctly. So I'm just gonna rub it. I normally don't do this. I'm doing it now because COVID. I don't do it most of the time. I'm sorry, guys. That's the truth. Oh, we got our 1,000 beads. Just so cute. And more beads. I don't know what I bought. This way it says Shopee found. Find. So here it is. It's the fruit. So it must be 10 like it says. Because if it's not, I'll be sad. It's so cute. I didn't expect this small. So we have avocado. Cute. And we have, let me just pick it up. Watermelon. Are you kidding me? We got strawberry. I thought that was a carrot. No, it's just strawberry. A cactus. It's a pretty cactus. And we have banana. We have 2 bananas actually. It's so small. I didn't expect. These are my nails. We have apple. We have cherry. And a flower for you, madam. Hey. We got this one's next. Just so cute. Woo! Bam, 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 bam. We have this one's next. We have white cloud. Isn't that pretty? White cloud. I'm not sure if you can see it. Pretty, yeah. We have a blue cloud. Okay. I'll just link the shop. The other one. Oh, same as the white blood. This is so cute. I didn't expect this small, but it's fine. It's worth it. Because we have a pink one. Look. Pretty. Isn't it? You guys, you could look closely to this. And his shop linked there. We have this. And okay, let me put back some of that. Guys, I think I'll put it on. I think I'm gonna make a bracelet out of these, or I'm just like gonna make slime. Did I just miscount it? Did I say 11? That was just 10. What? Okay, I know that's 10. I just miscounted it. We have another Shopee find. I just like Shopee, you know. So here's another one. Ooh. This is so cute. I want to keep it. Okay, my phone won't focus. My cam's just like that, guys. There's no. Oh my gosh, so cute. Lolly, will anyone? Pretty. Oh, so pretty. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And we have another one. Same design. Milk tea. Of course, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep it. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. No one's stopping me. No one. Just don't stop. Look at this. Isn't this so cute? Just so yummy, yummy, yummy. This milk tea. I won't keep this one though, because I already have one. I don't want to be that. Oh my gosh, there's 3 of them. This one has something. There's like this plastic thing. Oh, it's so cute. I think it's built or something by the making. But that's fine. This is a different color of milk tea. I think I'm gonna keep both of these. We have donut. Yum 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 yum. Anyway, we have these. I am very happy. These are so cute. I didn't remember buying 2, but okay, I guess I did that. These are so cute. I really want to make bracelet out of this. Open it. I'm very sorry about the background noises because I am near the highway and the road is mine. Bangers. Oh my gosh, don't fail. I drop a bead. Okay, here it is. So, these are so pretty. Would you like to see them? Here is it. Sweet orange, purple, green. A lot of colors. And I can't zoom because I don't know what's happened to my phone. Oh my god, I'm just... Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's a bead. I think I'm gonna make necklace out of beads. It's so pretty. So I dropped most of them on the floor, which my feet are naked and probably dirty from it. But here's the beads. Aren't they pretty? Although my nails aren't, but it's a scam. It's not real. So here it is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyone wants it? I'm gonna give some to my friends because I don't really want to be selfish at all. Okay, now let's just put them back because we don't want to make a mess here, right? No one do. Okay, I'm also going to keep this one because it's cute! But yeah. I'm so happy. Yeah. My happiness be like... Here it is. But thank you so much, Shopee. I have to go to my uncle's birthday today. So it was fun opening you. So now we'll put this back. This is so cute. And packaging is not that bad at all. I'm gonna rate it a 4 stars because yeah. Oh my god. Why did I smell it? It smells bad. It smells weird. But I'm gonna make a bracelet or something out of these. I'm so excited. I spilled a lot of them on the floor and everywhere. The orange. Oh my gosh, my nails are so dirty. I'm sorry guys. I'm very sorry. I am very sorry. Stop. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm gonna leave this one. They're really pretty. I don't think they're even... Are these even 1,000? Did I even... Nah, I don't want to count them, bro. Count them. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye, guys! Thank you for clicking on